What's today's date?
Today is Friday, May 15th, 2026.
All right, so we're looking into the addition. Nice 4 to 5 foot wide hallway. There's a 36-inch exterior door with 2 side lights. Now we're turning towards the direction of the mudroom. Taking a look at the electrical. There's a 4-gang box there for all the switches. Going into the mudroom space right now. Nice windows to the right. Looking at the electrical on the wall. That would be for the TV in the bedroom side. Ethernet there too, which is awesome. Going to the bedroom right now. Taking a look at the HVAC, and there's electrical run for lighting, recessed lighting, ceiling fan, more HVAC work. There's the entrance to the great room. There'll be 2 French doors there. Look at the windows again. There's the walk-in closet, and there's the bathroom. Nice, there's a bench for the shower. And I see CPVC supply lines. There's a toilet rough-in. Seeing how everything ties in together. Now looking towards the direction of the hallway again, the wall where the garage and the addition joins up with each other. Coming back around here to the front door, let's turn around now and look at the opposite way again. There's the old wiring that will be taken out, or repurposed rather. So they opened up this area here using 6x6 posts and either 2x10 or 2x12s to transfer the load. So look awesome when it's done. Let's take a look at another look here at the mudroom area where the windows are in the bedroom. This will be full of spray foam insulation. There's some of that insulation sitting in the bags over there. Let's take one last look over here in this area. Alright, looking up at the attic, I see 2 rough-ins for 2 lights. Plenty of room to walk up there if you need to on the trusses. There is the forms for the porch. On the outside, there's the mudroom again, and the coat closet just to the left of the mudroom. This is going to be our last pass through here. There's that walk-in closet again. A lot of room in there. And there's the bathroom again. This one wasn't labeled.